Welcome to Peppy Learning Solutions. In this video, I am going to give introduction to Python. Topics covered in this video are what is Python programming, advantages of Python, why Python programming, quick hands-on. What is Python programming? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented and high-level programming language. If you take Java got a compiler and interpreter. When you write a Java program, first you have to compile, then you have to interpret to see the result. Whereas Python doesn't have a compiler, it is an interpreted language. Like Java, Python supports object-oriented programming like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Python is a high-level programming language where it can be used for multiple type of applications like automation, web applications and scientific computing. It doesn't interact with memory, hence it is a high-level programming language. Advantages of Python. Compared to Java, Python is fast because its initial startup time is better and it have a better memory usage. Python is interactive. When you install Python, you will get a shell which is called interpreter. Python is open source. You need not to pay any amount for Python, as well as you can extend the Python using the open source code provided by Python.org. And Python got many spheres. As I told, you can create automated scripts, you can develop a web application, you can do the scientific modeling, you can do the data analytics, and you can do the machine learning and so on. Python is dynamically typed. Dynamically typed means you need not to provide the data type when you are creating a variable. That's called dynamically typed. Let's see it quickly. For that, press on Windows button, type Python. Here, open Python 3.5 desktop app. Now, a console is open. Here, I give name equal to Shyam Kakumani and enter. Do you see here, I did not mention the type for name. In case if it is in Java, you have to specify string name equal to Shyam Kakumani. And let me see what does name contains. When I type name, it's printing Shyam Kakumani. How do I know the type of name? For that, you can use type in the bracket, you give the variable name, which is type of string. Okay, so this is where you can say Python is dynamically typed. That means based on the data which you are given, it will automatically decides the data type. Next, why Python programming? Python programming is there for a long time. However, it became limelight in the very recent past because of its capabilities, which are libraries. Let's see few of the libraries. NumPy, which contains math functions, Pandas, which is used for data analytics, SciPy, which is used for algorithms and math, Matplotlib, which is used for plotting and data analysis, and sklearn, which is used for machine learning and data mining. So with all of these packages, you can do the data analytics, data visualization, scientific computing and web application development. Let's have a quick hands-on. For that, press Windows button, type Python and click on Python 3.5 desktop app. Now the Python interpreter is open. First, let's do the string concatenation and multiple string concatenation. For that, let me create a variable called company equal to Peppy Learning and say enter. When you type company, you will see a value as Peppy Learning. Now I would like to add solutions to the company name. For that, company equal to company plus solutions. So here before solutions you have to give a empty space so that you will be having a space between Peppy Learning space solutions. So when you type company, you'll see the output as Peppy Learning Solutions. Now I would like to add private limited for that. So for that what I can do is I can go and say print of company, and I'm giving comma here in the double quotes private space limited. If you observe here, for the concatenation I'm using comma. When you use comma, ideally what does it do is it will automatically add a space between the existing string and the appended string. When you say enter, you can see the output as Peppy Learning Solutions Private Limited. If you would like to print Peppy Learning Solutions multiple times, for that you can say company into 3. So it is showing you Peppy Learning Solutions 3 times. It's called multiple concatenation. Let us see the next one, exponent operator. Let's give 2 double star 4, which is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the value 16. Let's give 4 exponential 5. So which is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. The value is 1024. So double star is called exponent operator. Let's see a creation of a list. For that I would like to add some countries. Let's say countries equal to, I'm giving open brace and close brace, which is square brackets. In this one I say India, USA and Australia and UK. Enter. When you type countries, you can see the values as India, USA, Australia, UK. So let's see the type of countries. Type of countries. You can see the class list. So which is a list type. Now let's see the uses of few of the commands. The first one is bool method. When I go and call bool, which is a boolean method, when I say enter, which will give you false. If you got a bool with any value or anything, which will give you true. When you say bool of 0, it will give false, and bool of 1, which will give true. Okay, boolean is used to evaluate a condition and give the value. In case if it is an empty bool method, it will give you false. In case any value is there, then it will give you true. Bool of 0 is false, bool of 1 is true, because when you are converting your boolean values, the true will be converted to 1 and false will be converted to 0. Let's see the next one, white space. Let's say I would like to go for a condition. I say sales equal to 25,000. Now I want to check a condition, and according to that I want to print result. Now I am giving a condition if sales greater than 20,000, then. So when you are giving a condition, at the end of the condition you have to give a semicolon. So for that, if sales greater than 20,000, give a semicolon, say enter. Now here you have to print something. For that I am giving print target achieved. So I am going to say enter. However, you see the print and if is in the same line. That means there is no indent given. When I type this, when I say enter, you can see the output expected and indented block. So that's where let me go and write the condition again. For that I'm going up if sales greater than 20,000 colon enter. Now here I'm giving value as print target achieved. This time I'm going to the starting position of this and I'm giving one space for print. When I say enter, now you see the output target achieved. So there is a special meaning for white space in Python, so which can be used as indent when you are using a conditions. Garbage collection. Ideally, the garbage collection happens in Python little different than in Java. Let's say when you create an object in Python, ideally the count of the object is maintained by Python whenever there is no objects available for it. That means the object count is 0. Automatically it will be garbage collected. Python garbage collection is more efficient than Java. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.